सी आमी सगळे उलयतात आमच्या गोंयकारांक सामावपाक जाय वय आमी गोंयकार सामावपाक जाय. दॅट इज माय फर्स्ट इट्स माय थॉट एंड इट इज. एट द सेम टायम आमी गोंयकारांनी आमच्या ट्युरिस्टांक सामावपाक जाय. आमच्या गोंयकारांनी आमच्या लोकांक सामावपाक जाय. पूण हांगा कितें जालां, देर आर फ्यू टुरिस्ट. आय बींग हॉटेलियर, हॅविंग माय हॉटेल्स एंड हॅविंग एक्शन बींग अ ड्रायव्हर आल्सो आय शूड ड्रायव्ह माय ओन टॅक्सीज. आय हॅव अ बॅच, माय ट्रक्स, माय टँकर हांव स्वता चलोवपी. ओके, सम इयर्स बॅक. And my experience is there are some drivers who play a little mischief and that sends a wrong name, bad name. Followed, no? And overall what happened today, if you ask me, all over the world and Deshbhar, today people on apps. And today when it's on apps, you just call an app, 2 minutes are there. The women are safe. You can track them down. आता समज तूं बॉम्बे गेलो, तूं कोचीन गेलो, हांगा कोची गेलो, इतर गेलो, सगळे ॲप वापरतात. पूण हांगा कितें जालां, वी हॅव टू कम विथ अ सिस्टम वे इट्स अ विन-विन सिट्युएशन वे द टॅक्सी पीपल or the rent-back people, all these people, in fact, they're all interconnected. Suppose if I have one taxi, I also got a rent-back vehicle. They're all interconnected. But where we should ensure that goals are totally secured as far as jobs are concerned. And this is basically a self-employment job. But I'm just taxi, if I have 4-5 taxis, I'll have my taxi, and there are a lot of people outside who are driving. So there are a lot of issues, a lot of complications. Because Goa is a different state. The tourism destination, but we have to ensure that it's a win-win situation where tourists are happy, or domestic happy. They are safe. So this is where we have to work, and so I'm hopeful that today we're having a discussion in the house.
So Goa miles should be there.
Overall report that we're getting, that people happy with the app. People happy with the app. So the same, if our Goans themselves take the app and they employ themselves, in fact it will be a proper solution. But we can't come with egos over it, because I'll tell you, if this happens, or there's a confusion, or people take law in their hands, our tourism will finish. Like out in mining cover झालं. So mining has not started so far, although आमचा मुख्यमंत्री प्रयत्न करता and he will do it. At the same time, we cannot destroy the tourism. The tourists won't come, as if the tourist is very low at the moment. Domestic tourists or even our chartered tourists. Okay. Being a hotel is very, very bad, and we can't take any chances. It will be troublesome for all the ancillary businesses, allied businesses, all will be in big trouble. So there should be a situation, we come up with some compromise and a win-win situation where our taxi people, although Goa miles are happy, आमच्या गोंयकारांक आर्थिक एम्प्लॉयमेंट मेळचें, and at the same time our tourists people are very happy, so they have no issues and they should not be in any trouble whatsoever.